The world as we knew it has vanished. Welcome to the dawn of the $500 million revolution. In 2026, precision isn't just a goal, it's the absolute baseline for survival. Factories that once relied on human touch are now governed by pure logic.
Every movement is calculated to the nanometer. Every second counts.
This is the evolution of craftsmanship. This is expert Fida.
Tonight, we take you inside the most secretive facilities on Earth,
where $500 million has turned dreams into steel and silicon. No humans, no errors, just pure, unadulterated engineering.
But how did we get here? The journey starts with the invisible.
The revolution began at the microscopic level.
Where bits and atoms finally became one. Welcome to Phase 1, the micro-engineered world. In this realm, a single speck of dust is a catastrophe.
That's why these robots live in clean rooms. Sterility beyond imagination. They handle components so small, they are invisible to the naked eye. Lasers are the new scalpels, cutting with the power of a star. Controlled by AI that calculates heat dissipation in real time.
This ensures that no material is ever wasted. Efficiency is the only currency here.
Nanotech is no longer a dream. It's the engine of our economy.
Each of these robots costs more than a luxury mansion.
But their output is worth billions.
Look closer. The complexity is mind-blowing. These machines don't sleep. They don't complain.
They are the perfect workers for a world that never stops.
But microtech is just the foundation. Things are about to get much bigger.
From the size of a grain of sand. To the size of a skyscraper.
The revolution is scaling up, fast. Subscribe now to Expert Fida to see Phase 2, the Mega Machines. Welcome to the world of giants. This is Phase 2, Mega Automation.
In this domain, strength is measured in thousands of tons. Meet the Colossus, the world's largest robotic welding system.
It can assemble a commercial jet wing in less than 40 minutes.
Robots don't just build cars. They forge the future of transportation.
Every weld is checked by ultrasound sensors in real time.
If a single atom is out of place, the system self-corrects instantly.
This is why luxury is becoming more accessible than ever. Mass production has met master-level craftsmanship.
But heavy industry requires heavy power.
These facilities consume enough energy to power a small city.
But they are 100% sustainable, running on green hydrogen and salt batteries.
The air inside is cleaner than a mountain peak.
Zero emissions. Zero waste. Pure production.
Now, let's look at the logistics. How do these machines talk to each other? They use a decentralized swarm intelligence.
No central computer can be hacked. The system is the computer. This is the blockchain of manufacturing.
But what happens when something goes wrong? Meet the repair bots.
They are the white blood cells of the factory. Ensuring 99.9% uptime, 365 days a year.
Human oversight is now remote, using advanced VR suits. Expert Fida is tracking these remote work trends closely.
The gap between physical and digital has officially closed. Phase 3 is next. The AI brain that thinks for the machines.
It doesn't just process data, it imagines new designs.
Creating structures that no human could ever conceive. Stay tuned for the final act of the robot revolution. Subscribe now. We have reached the nervous system of the factory, the AI central brain.
This isn't just software. It's a collective consciousness of 1 million machines. Every second, it processes more data than the entire human race did in the 20th century. Now analyzing preferences. The Stellaris jacket and Zero-G sneakers. Style re-engineered for the urban frontier. Available now.
Then, it instructs the machines to build it. Instantly.
But speed is nothing without perfection. Enter the Quality Fortress. Every microcrack, every loose atom is detected in milliseconds.
Using quantum sensors, these machines see what humans cannot.
This ensures that made in 2026 means made forever. But what does this mean for us? For the people of Earth?
As you can see, the scale of these robot factories ensures unparalleled precision and efficiency in modern manufacturing.
The The $500 million investment is just the first drop in the ocean. Soon, these factories will be on the moon. Then, on Mars. The robot revolution is going interplanetary. This is the legacy of 2026. This is the new age of discovery. But we must be wise. With great power comes great responsibility.
Expert Fida will be here to ask the hard questions.
Thank you for watching this special Expert Fida documentary.
If you enjoyed this journey into 2026, hit the like button.
And don't forget to comment. What do YOU think about the robot revolution?
Subscribe and click the bell. We have much more to show you.
Explore our playlist for more deep dives into AI and automation.
Stay curious, stay informed, stay ahead.